stock transfer. Okay, in this case, we have to transferring the stock, right, between two plants. Okay, not within the same plant. Okay, here the previous step we saw it is between the same plant of the two store location. Okay, in this case, two store location, but they are between different plants. Okay, not on the same plant. Okay, in this case, because of it is between two different plants, the maybe one plant may be there in Bangalore, one plant may be there in Chennai. Okay, so then the cost, okay, manufacturing cost between two locations will be different, right? In that case, the valuation is going to happen because maybe here also we can use one step and two step. So along with these two procedure, we have another method. Okay, here in these two methods, okay, we don't create any purchase orders. Okay, it will happen uh, normally in the Amigo transaction itself. Okay, but in case of third method, okay, we use PO, purchase order. Okay, that is called as a stock transfer order. Okay, in this case we can use with or without delivery also. Okay, with the delivery means it is an integration with the sales and distribution. Without delivery means we can do it normal purchase order. Okay, with the only purchase order. Okay, so yeah, so here we can see this is one step method wherein we use
Sorry,
301.
can I ask a question? So you said
Please.
stock transfer order with the help of sales order. What is the point in having that one actually if we go through sales
No, no,
order?
no, no, not sales order. Means the sales will come into picture as an integration. So delivery, right? Delivery has to create it by this one, right? It is kind of a sale, right, for them.
Yeah, for them it's
So
a sale. Okay, okay. So they
yeah,
will
yeah,
consider
yeah,
for the valuation purpose, they will consider as a sale to
as a
that
sale.
plant.
Yes, yes, yes. That
Oh, okay.
kind, that type, they have to create a delivery. Okay,
Hmm. Yeah.
delivery note, outbound delivery, they have to create from
Hmm.
sales side. That's the
Okay.
integration. So
Yeah.
then they also do the post goods issue, but
Mhm.
if they want to, they also create invoice also from sales side. Otherwise, it is not required. If it is the same company code, then invoice is not required.
Yeah.
If it is a different company codes, then invoice is required. Okay. In this
Oh,
case, is company code A and B, then invoice is required in this case, like that.
okay. Okay.
So here
That's
we are
for the
generally talking
internal
only with
adjustments.
right, right. We are just talking about the delivery or without delivery. Billing also we are not talking about here.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
so in one step we use 301 movement type, and two step we use 303 and 305. Okay, this is to issue, this is to receive. Okay, in the plant. Yeah. So this is the same thing which is explained. Okay, you can just within the plant. Okay, always use this one only. Transfer posting only the movement type will change. Yeah,
Okay.
301. Okay, the transaction is same. Transaction name is same. Okay, here only the if it is if you're doing between two different plants, here plant will be different, here plant will be different.
Mm.
Here if you're doing within the same plant but different store location, okay, then store location will vary, plant will
Yeah.
change. Okay, that's how you do the transfer posting and stock transfer within the same transaction. Okay, same transaction. Okay, here there won't be any other this one. Okay, other only because we are not doing with reference to any of the other document. Okay, that's all. So this
Can I ask
is
you a question here?
yeah, yeah.
Sorry. Here you said actually plant to plant, they're moving the material. In the purchasing department, somebody is sitting over there and they will do transfer from plant to plant. They will do, but to with their access actually they will do. But how to control that one? If physically the goods movement will not happen, right? Physical movement. So that one is again will not come over here and it will come in EWMS or something.
No, 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 no. The next, the next topic will be that only. This one,
Oh,
the way which I am showing, right? This will
yeah,
be uh, mostly useful for maybe same plant.
yeah,
Store locations are same,
yeah,
and they are located near to each other. Even consider two plants
yeah.
which are located uh,
Inside
maybe
one building
one or
itself or
uh,
something.
maybe 1 or 2 kilometer, or
Yeah. Inside one
okay,
building itself or
yeah,
something.
yeah. So then this is useful, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then if you are far from each other, two plants are far from each other, then
Yeah,
we don't go with this method.
yeah.
We go with other method where we create a purchase order actually. That purchase order is called a stock transfer purchase order.
Oh, STO. Okay.
Yeah, STO purchase order. So in that time we issue the material from the issuing plant.
Yeah.
In the receiving plant, it is not yet received. So that particular period to moving the material from issuing plant to receiving plant, that is called as a transit.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that time we have two movement types. One is for issuing, another one is to receiving. So that both the movements will be done by the different people in the different plant, not the same.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Normally, for the information sake, I'm asking in the purchasing department, they will give access to that particular plant for the people who are
Yes.
authorized to do that.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Since I done actually without SAP purchasing, I was not, that much familiar. Now
Mhm,
I'm doing the EWM only, right? So that's why.
mhm. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Normally.
now,
Yeah.
yeah, that you can do it with that method. Okay. Now,
Mm.
to as per your example, if they are away from each other,
Yeah.
then two different. Yeah, let us see how to start with the one step and two step method between transfer the stock between two different plants. Okay. So I'm going to the transaction Migo. So I'm selecting transfer posting as a transaction and other. Okay. Is the method 301 is defaulted. So I'm entering the material, that is 181. The plant is 1010. This is the sending plant, and 1020 is receiving plant. Okay, this is one step method. Once we complete this transaction, stock will move from year to year directly. Okay, so store locations are same in both the plants. Enter. So the material is copied. Quantity we need to enter. It's one piece. So yeah, I think other data are copied. Let's click on check button and try to post it. Yeah, you can see material document is posted. Okay, if I display the material document, okay, so yeah, if I go to here, the stock. So earlier, before posting, there were a stock of 995. Okay, which I have seen. Okay, so now it reduced one quantity, it becomes 994. Okay, here, let me go back. So if I see, okay, 301, I think this will also go into 101. Yeah, 1010 plant. So let us change the plant here, 1020. Okay, then execute. Okay, you can see earlier it has a stock of 1. Okay, it has increased to 2 in 1020. Okay, the plant. So this is how we are moving in one step method the stock from one plant to other plant. Okay, so this will be done only if the plants are near to each other and if they are located in the same company code or within the same area. Okay, consider we need to move from one plant to other plant. The plants are staying for each other. Then we have to go with the two-step method. Okay, that will be like transfer posting. In that case, it will we have to do the remove from one plant. Okay, so then we post it into the other plant. Okay, there will be two transactions. That's why it is called two-step method. So here the movement type is 303, while moving or taking into the stock of other plant, it will be 305. Okay, now we are removing from the issuing plant. Okay, so same plant 1010, 101A, the road location, enter. Here you can see there is no destination plant is available because in another step we need to enter those details. Okay, so material is 181, so 181, enter the quantity, so one piece, so it is 303 and 110, 101. You are removing the stock. Check, enter plant terms of posting. Yeah, so here we are entering the plant which is to receive, but stock will not go into that plant. Okay, it will be in transit. Okay, stock in transit. Okay, check. That's why you can see, yeah, there is no store location we are not giving. Okay, because actual physical storage will be done at the store location level in any plant. Okay, post this. See, document is posted. So if I see the metro document for this, display metro document. Okay, here if I go and see one quantity has been reduced. Earlier when we check it was 994, now it reduced to 993. Okay, so let me do place in storage, the second step, right? Place in storage, 305 moment type, 181 material, quantity 1, so it would be 1020, 101, yeah, same store location. Okay, different plant. So now check, all things are fine, try to post it. Okay, so metro document is posted. Now see the metro document. Okay, so we go and see where. So 1020, the stock should be increased by 3 now. See, it has been increased. Okay, this is how the two-step method will be done. And let us see, do you have a doubt, right, whether there is a accounting document gets created as it is a different plant? Is it created? It should not. Let us see. See, it should not. Because they are part of the same company code, right? Even if they are different, but if they are part of the same company code, okay, then there won't be. If there is a different company codes, okay, then always it creates from the issuing plant. Okay, in the issuing plant, the accounting document gets created. Okay, so for the specific value they are issuing. Okay, at the receiving plant. Okay, in those cases, it will be generally done at the STO level that we can see in the coming part. Thank you.